Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So, let's see what we're trying to achieve here. First of all, make the music a little bit not as loud. Okay. So here we have basically this. So the problem that I have right now is that I probably want to have this in Europe for this case. Yeah. That checks out. So I'm going to basically start that from scratch. Yeah, terminate this. So it can start from scratch. First thing we want to do is we want to go to, yeah, Frankfurt sounds good. Okay. Let's launch an instance. So I'm going to take the Ubuntu server, yeah, that'll do. Free tier, sounds good to me. Oh. I should create a new one here. Why can't I? It's kind of strange. Let's create a new security group. It's public access. Okay, so I'm already setting up the, you can do that later. Normally people recommend doing that later, but I'm going to basically say, okay, so port 80 and port 443 is what I basically want to have from the start. Those things indicate that you can basically access this from everywhere. To see how you can basically set this up and particular IP ranges, but I wanted to have this from everywhere, so that's fine. Okay. Okay. No key pairs found. Am I? Okay, this is a little bit strange, but apparently a key pair is also bound to a particular region, so let's create a new key pair here that I call Java drop. So I will need that to shell in. Okay. Now while this is launching, I'm going to open up my terminal and go to that key pair. Okay, and then I'm gonna say, so I need to basically set this to 600, otherwise it's gonna freak out in the process. Okay. So that should be fine. Yep. So no other permissions than that. Okay, that's so far so good. So what I'm going to do also now, but I'm going to do that on a different screen, is I'm going to open up my config. And what I'm going to do there is the following. I'm going to create a easier access for me because I'm lazy. And what I need for that is the public IP. Oh, crap. Okay, made a mistake here. Need to do that again. Sorry about that, but I .ssh/. Okay. It's always the same problem, you know. You have to get used to the copy and paste behavior. Okay, what's the key file called again? Everdrop Frankfurt. Okay, so that should be okay. I'll write that out. Okay. Now, I should now be able to kind of SSH into there. Oops. Okay, there I am. So the first thing that I want to do is to probably do the following and say sudo apt update. Okay. I'm going to install the Apache. Okay, so this should in theory already work. Let's try it out. So visiting this now should give me an Apache start page. Let's see if that's true. It is true. Nice. Okay. So far so good. What we're going to do now is to hook. Well, let's actually first do the. Let's get MySQL 8 in here. Let's see. I want to make sure that that is up to date. No, let's do it like this. Actually, let me make sure that that's the case. Googled it 1,000 times, apparently. That's from... Okay. I don't think that's an issue. Should we follow this guide? Why not? Oh, not happy about this. Not happy about this. This is from 2019 at least. Yeah, that's all we need. That's all we need. Okay, should be there any second. Come on. Okay, let's try that out. Okay, that works. Okay, perfect. Okay. Cool. So that should be okay. Let's actually maybe create a database here. I'm gonna call this Everdrop. Okay. Okay, so far so good. So we then still need the PHP repository, right? Oh. So we want to have at least, yeah, this looks good. That looks good. I need to add this repository, right? Yeah. What? Oh, add. Okay, what we can do now is basically that we can say, oh, it's already happening. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So that seems to work. That's kind of cool. So the last thing that we kind of need is to say, all right, so where will this guide to, right? So so we could go to Namecheap. Now that I think of it, that's also something that unfortunately I have to get you guys away from here. But I'm going to show you how the DNS settings work then. Get my two-factor auth here. Okay. Just 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay. So here's basically the DNS settings from the realtimesponsor.com. So I need basically, honestly, I don't care. This is a free domain I have. I need an SSL certificate. That's why I'm kind of doing this. So here again, I'm going to take in that case my IP address and say, I don't know if this is correct. It's an A record. Okay. That's basically all I need, and in this case, CNAME is okay. It's an alias here. Oh, actually, I don't need that one. That should be okay. Okay. And no mailing, nothing like that. Mail forwarding, okay. Fair enough. So that should already be it, basically. Now, let's actually look at how that looks like, right? So the Apache configuration, in my case, on Ubuntu would be. Check this out. Oh, it's maybe a little small here. Okay. So, let me quickly see if that's not too small for you guys. No, that should be fine. I mean, it's a little bit hard to see, but that works, right? Can I make this? You maybe see text. I'll make this a little bit bigger for you guys, which I really have not considered before. Okay, that's kind of weird. Sure. Holy crap. Okay. Let's do it like this. Yeah, that should be big enough for you guys, right? Okay. I don't know, it's huge on my screen, but I know that with streaming, it's always like one of those things. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go to CD and let me see to remember where that is. Oh, okay, now it's huge, of course. Let me see if we find our Apache here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's first of all maybe look at how that works generally. Whoops. Okay, so what I'm specifically looking for is, because the changes sometimes never, okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, allow override none, require all granted. Ah, I need an HT access here. So I'm gonna do it like this. That's number one. Okay. And what I also need is oops. It's the default conf. Okay. Okay. So it's going to be redirected. So here we're going to say, what was that? Oh yeah, realtimesponsor.com. And that is correct. That's not how it works. It's not how it works. Yeah, okay. That's all not what I want. Yeah, you just have an example. Okay, that's all it is. Okay. Which basically means that if I were to say, how do I seed that? I'm just going to restart it. That should be fine, right? Let me try this one. Okay. Oops. Sudo. There we go. Okay. Let's try it out. There we go. Cool. Now the next thing that I want is, and this is why I even have a domain in the first place, is I want to use something like certbot, right? Which is from oh yeah, so it would be Apache and a Ubuntu 18.4 Bionic. And here you basically see how it works. Install soft properties common. I did that. Okay, the universe. So that's what I want to do. Oh, even better. Wait. What PPA is that? Certbot, okay. 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 And yeah, that's already it. Okay, so what I'm a little bit weirded out about is like, why is a Python 3 certbot Apache? Okay. Let's trust it, it's the official one. Okay, let's run it. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's figure that one out. There we go. Now we have our SSL certificate. Cool. Well, so far so good. Let's start with the deployment process. So what we want to basically do here is, this should all kind of work fine as far as I understand. Did I have this? Let me actually quickly make sure that the models have migrate JSON. Oh yeah, thought so. That's kind of not good. Let me make sure that I can install this database. Ah, crap. Okay. Okay. Okay, got it. So that should be fine. Next changes here. Okay, so this is the redirect. This should also work. Let's try it out. Okay, so I don't have a remote host here. What I'm going to do here is in Tools, Deployment. Okay. So that's going to be a SFTP. Doesn't matter. SSH configuration. Oh, actually I want this to be like that. Okay, and then here I want it to be real time. Actually, I'm not sure if we're going to have a problem here one day. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take here the public IP. Not sure if I'm okay. So username, no. What I want to have is, did they change something here? Okay, so apparently I must use this one. Is this a new thing here? Okay, apparently. Okay. Keep here. That one. No passphrase. Okay. Okay. HTML, yeah, actually we want to have that here too. Okay. Okay. Let's make sure that we have in the right thing here. Okay, so what this should do now, whoops. Oh, let's quickly see if that's a thing here. Failed. Okay. So we have to make sure here that root. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is say chown HTML. Actually, first of all, it's going to be Ubuntu HTML, and then recursively. Okay. Let's try this out again. Okay. So permissions should be fine. Yeah. Okay. So far so good. Let's get rid of it. Yep. And instead, let's get it going. So while this is running, I probably want to install Node here so I can run the CLI tool. Yeah. So let's just check out that one. Actually, I think I have a good article on that one. This one. Yeah, let's do exactly that one. It's exactly that one. Going to our directory. Okay. Make directory dot npm packages. Okay. npm. Oh, hold on. You know what? I forgot to kind of like, what I also want to do is kind of install that. How's that? Should install it first. Yeah. That's the point. Here we go. Okay. That's what we want to do. And now the question is, what version are we currently on? 12 stable. Okay, so that should be it. Okay. Nope. That's what we want to do. Wait, is 12 is not 14? Sorry, let me double check this. Nope, indeed. Okay. Fair enough. Why nano? Okay, nope. Sudo bash. Yeah, that's what we want then. Okay. Check this out. Okay. Looks good to me. Let's go back to this article again. So we've created this package already. Okay, now let's make sure that this redirects to our home, to the what we just created. If we make global installations. Okay. I'm already there. Bash RC. Okay. Oh, I need to maximize this. This file size is of course killing me a little bit here. Okay. Have any kind of pathing here? Okay. Oh, that's it. Okay. Let's define a variable here. So what this does is basically, right, so now we define the variable. Okay. And then we're going to say export path equals, I hope this includes man pages, does it? We'll see, huh? So the usual path, and then we do the npm store, attach it to it. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, down here it is. That's what I want to make sure it works. Oh, come on. And path, what does this do? Oh, okay. Store, share, man. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Oops. Looks good. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now let's try it out. Okay. Okay. That seems to work. That seems to work. Okay. So let's see how far we are with the upload process. If I reload this here. Okay. Dumb document not found. Really? Oh. Okay. What is that? Which one are you? PHP DOM. Okay. PHP DOM. Got it. How come that's not common? Huh? Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, cool. Cool. Now let's see if the routing still already works. Or if there's a problem with... Yeah, cool. Absolutely cool. Okay. Let's try this out. Oh, right. So the database setup. So that's now the question, right? So let me quickly see how this frame works. It's probably simply okay. Yeah. So what we want to do here. Actually, just have to figure out how that's called. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, just super dark in here. Okay, so what I'm personally quickly interested in is go to localhost. And then go to water hardness. What's the project called again? Wasserhärte, of course. Of course. It's localhost. Okay, I thought so. Okay. So let's do it like this. And then say, okay, so that's the case here. No. Sorry, then just this one. Credentials. Okay. Now the first thing that we kind of have to wonder about is if we can even log in with a database. Let me try that out. Okay. Okay. Thought so. So we need to create a database user, right? And so the way that works, because I'm not going to do that here because I'm actually going to enter a native password. But the way this works, this one. Okay. Ugh. Okay, this is a little bit. So what the I wish I would find a different example, but it doesn't matter. So what I'm writing is create user and then the username. So in that case, I'm going to call this water at localhost, and then with the I say identified by, and then where's the native password? It's basically what I want here. That's basically what I want here. Native password. MySQL. Yeah, that's it. MySQL underscore native underscore password. Okay. By, and then with, and then now the actual password. Okay, I have an error. Hold on. By, yeah, I thought I had that. Create user. Water. Identified with MySQL native password. My password. Okay. Let's see if that works. So now let's check if it works. Oh. Okay. Aha. So it's a little bit of a problem. Going with the sudo again. So what I want is to have grant all privileges and then to also forgot how that works. Yeah, grant all privileges on. Oh, okay. On. In my case, I want to say anything. Yeah, that should work. Anything at localhost. And what for? Oh, 2. Wait, what? Let's see why. Grant all privileges on. Oh, it's not with an at. But let's just do asterisk dot asterisk. Will that work? Yeah. No. Grant all privileges. Okay. Finally found the typo here. Okay. Let's try it out. Let's clear this here quickly. Whoops. Yes. Really? That's probably something I forgot. And that is okay. Just like getting afraid here. Oh, come on. Huh. Did I really not do this before? Oh, I'm going insane. Okay, never mind. Okay. Okay, so I got those databases in. So what I'm going to do now is to basically say I'm going to navigate to this route here. So I want to make sure that I have actually uploaded those changes I made here. Okay. And what I should be able to do now is to say, okay, migrate models up. New. Yep. Name is water. User is water. Yep. Yep. Okay. Ran one query. Okay. That means that my database should be set up. Let's try this out now. Let's go to oops. Credential location not found. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Where in slash okay. I see, so you need that, huh? And again. Okay. So we said we're going to call them DB. Okay. Now at this point what we have to do is okay. So we want to have assumes UID. Value is true. Create new. Name. Water. Create new. User. Water. Create new. Password. Actually, let me see something. I thought so. Get out of here. Okay. Save and exit. Okay. See? There we go. So that's still a 500 error, which is not too cool. Okay. Okay. Well, so let me see what the problem with this could potentially be. What I'm going to do here quickly on home, let's debug here. Open heart debugging. Right, so what I want to do here is I want to create a, and actually I hate this format meanwhile. Let's do demo. Can you please do that nicer? Yep, thank you. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Actually, let's do this here quickly and just make sure. Here's the water. Okay. Yeah. Well, that is okay. Looks okay to me. Only question is, why is the default null? But that should be okay. So that's not necessarily the issue. See. Oops. What the hell? What's going on here? Okay, strange. Uh-huh. Ugh, why does this not work? mysql what was it, report? No, sorry, what was it missing? Report. Yeah, good question. Really? Oh. No, that does not make sense. That does not make sense. Okay. Let's check this out quickly here. That's strange PHP man. Okay. Oops. Okay. Yeah. That looks better. That looks better. Okay. A couple of things. First of all, what we want to do is do this quickly. Then we want to jump over to this and get rid of that one, I guess. And this one. Upload that. Okay. Cool. Well, I guess in theory. What? Wait, what's happening here? Oh. JavaScript isn't loading. Okay. What's going on with the JavaScript now? Oh, yeah. Correct. So that's what I changed, right? So now I don't have this included anymore. Smart. Smart, smart, smart. Oh. Smart, 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 smart. Oh. Yeah, that's why you don't develop live. Okay. Okay, now I don't have the base. Oh no. Getting a nightmare here. Okay, so just so you guys understand, so what I would actually need to do here, apparently in the controller I'm using a base somewhere. Yeah, I do. So to make that an absolute path, which is wonderful. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually getting tired of this. I'm going to make those changes back to Unicore. Uni. Do it like that. Forget the callback. Forget this. Okay. Okay, now this is a 500, even better. But that might just be because I'm in the wrong region here. Okay, why the hell is it not producing that? Hardness. Okay. Oh. Oh. Uh-huh. So that still doesn't work, the insert, huh? Okay. Huh. That's called hardness, okay. I wonder why that's the case now. Huh. Hmm. Really? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Damn it. What now? Hmm. Oh, oops. Nope. There we go. Uh-huh. Okay. MB. Uh-huh. Mm. Mm. Ugh. It's really MB string single instead of the... Oh. It's like getting insane here. Okay. There we go. Okay, this was way harder than I thought. I thought that the PHP Common has a little bit more stuff included. Really had to install all of this stuff myself, but okay. So let's see. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So in theory it works. So far so good. Now we have to make a little bit of a last test here. Oh yeah, now we finally want to see. Let's clear that. Yay. Okay. We have it. We have it. Okay. It wasn't as fast and easy as I thought, but we're going to be okay. We are going to be okay. Okay. Well, so doesn't look like anybody was online anyway, but you know that you can always ask me questions. I'm basically just streaming while I'm working, so feel free to just jump in whenever you feel like it. I am actually going to visit some friends now. Let's see who's on. Oh, of course. I already know that what I really want to show here. Interesting that I can't hear that. Oops, language. Oops. That's what she needs. That's what she needs.